So guys, you pull out your leaf blower and the frigging thing won't start. We've all got it. Grab yourself a can of deodorant and watch what happens.